Welcome back again to this tutorial. Welcome back again to Max TV. So in today's tutorial we are going to be showing you how you can export your Microsoft Office Word document to a PDF file type. So you have made your Microsoft Office Word document and you want to export it directly to PDF file type. So we are going to show you how you can do this. So if you did not subscribe to this channel, Max TV, please subscribe now, like this video, share this video, and turn on the notification bell button so as you will always get notified when we upload a new video here at Max TV. So now, without wasting time, let's get started. So I'm going to open my Microsoft Office Word document. As you can see, a blank document here. So if I open the blank document, you can see it is not named already. I'm going to name this document so to any kind of document I want, so as this name will be changing to the new one. So what I'm going to do now, also, I'm going to make sure that also I make some content to this Microsoft Office Word document. For example, maybe I make this document. So yes, it's like text which is contained on my which will be on my Microsoft Office document. So after doing this, what I'm going to do also is to make sure I save this document. Suppose this document is made of these three concepts, and I'm going to save these three concepts to my computer so I can be able to now to export this. So as you can see now, I have this content on my Microsoft Office Word document, and first of all, what I need to do is to save this document as where in normal way. So I click Save As and choose where to save this document. Also, after choosing where to save this document, I can click here and save this document as the development. So the develop. So this is my name of the document. You see, also as you can see here, it is Microsoft Office Word document. And I want to make this PDF one. I'm not going to use this file type before because I want to show you how to export it to PDF file while it is already saved as Microsoft Office Word document. So I'm going to click here so I can continue and show how you can do this. Now I click save. Once I click save, so my document is already saved as the develop, and it is this one which is at the top here. You can see the name here, which is the develop. What I need to do now, I'm going to export this file to PDF file type now. What as the main context of today I'm showing you now, I'm going to rename this. So I'm going to click to select this file or this content on my document. After selecting, I go back to file. So I scroll down. You can see various options here, and there is one which is called export. So we are going to use this one, export one, so that you can be, and you can see this is my document here, which is named as the develop, and it is also in Microsoft Office Word file type. But I want to make PDF file type from this one without going back there. What I need to do, I need to click here on this export option. As you can see, I click here on this export option. Once I click here on the export option here, as you can see, you are seeing various options, and the one which is include create PDF or XPS document. As you can see, I'm going to click here, and yes, so I'm going to click create PDF or XPS document. You can also change the file type here. So if you have already saved your document as Microsoft Office Word, and if you want to change the file type to PDF, for example, to Microsoft Office Word 2023, and so you can choose any file type you want. But now I'm going to use this option of creating PDF or XPS document through using this option. So what I need to do, I click here also. Then once I click there, so they are going to give me the options. I double click on this create PDF option. Once I click there, you can see on my computer there is no document which is PDF on the same location as I saved early, but and you can see the PDF is coming here. If I don't have PDF files, it is coming here, and if I have any PDF file on the same location like this one, will be showing there. So because I don't have a PDF file on the same location, I have saved my document. So I'm going to choose this PDF file. I can name it the same because there are different types, so it's fine, it's going to accept it. So my names. So now what I need to do, I need to publish. You see here there is publish. In case of save, there is publish. Now I'm going to so I'm publishing my PDF file. Once I click publish, I wait this PDF file to open, and it is already done once the PDF file also is opened. So I wait. And you can see now as my PDF also has been already converted to my document, so has been converted to the PDF file in easy and simple steps. So this is the way you can use. Thank you very much for watching the video. So if you have any suggestion, or leave it in the comment section, and hit the notification bell button, so as you'll get notified when you upload a new video here at Max TV. So like this video, share this video to our friends, and remember to subscribe. Thank you very much. Stay in touch with us here at Max TV. We love you so much.